I'm Jamie Hilfiger. I'm a model, a fashion expert, and a part of the famous Hilfiger fashion family. Today I'm going to show you 3 types of proper formal wear. Formal wear is the general term for clothing suitable for formal social events such as dinners, dances, and high-profile parties. First, this dress that I'm wearing by Adriana Papel is a mid-calf dress. It's made out of this shiny nylon stretch with a little added sparkle detail. This is definitely a perfect example of formal wear. Next, I have this short cocktail dress by Aiden Maddox. All of the beading and the material used definitely classifies it as proper formal wear. And lastly, this Aiden Maddox floor-length gown is definitely considered proper formal wear. The material used is sheer chiffon, and this brocade navy blue top definitely gives it the added touch for a perfect black tie or white tie affair. And there you have it, 3 types of proper formal wear. For eHouse Style, I'm Jamie Hilfiger, and thanks for watching.